exploring the mindful practice of modified Sun Salutations. Sun Salutations, or Surya Namaskar, serve as a cornerstone of yoga practice, offering a sequence of poses that can be tailored to suit individual needs. By embracing modifications, practitioners of all levels, whether beginners or seasoned yogis, can access the physical and mental benefits of strength, flexibility, and mindfulness at their own pace. Modifications ensure safe, accessible, and sustainable movement, fostering alignment, comfort, and inner awareness while honoring the body's unique capabilities. Mindfully introducing modifications into your Sun Salutations is a compassionate way to adapt the practice to your current state. These adjustments can provide accessibility. Individuals with joint pain, muscle tension, or limited mobility can benefit from modifications that ease potential discomfort. Build gradual strength. Beginners can use adjustments to develop endurance and confidence in a supportive manner over time. Enhance alignment and breathwork. Slowing down with modifications allows for intentional alignment and deeper connection to breath. Prevent overexertion. Alternatives can prevent fatigue during longer practices, leaving you grounded and centered. By honoring where you are today, modifications empower you to experience the joy of yoga with intention and ease. Each pose in Sun Salutations invites the opportunity for tailored support. Here are some mindful adjustments. Tadasana, mountain pose. Keep feet hip-width apart for balance, feeling the grounding energy of the earth. Uttanasana, standing forward fold. Bend your knees and place hands on blocks if your hamstrings feel tight. Let your head hang heavy, releasing stress. Chaturanga Dandasana, four-limbed staff pose. Lower knees to the mat, ensuring your elbows stay close to your ribs for a supported half Chaturanga. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Bend your knees to prioritize spinal length or replace it with dolphin pose to reduce wrist strain. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. Swap for cobra pose, lifting the chest gently while grounding the hips for added back protection. Respecting your body in these ways transforms poses into mindful practices of self-awareness. Flow with purpose using these sequences, where each modification enhances safety and relaxation. Sun Salutations A. Start in Tadasana, transition to Uttanasana with bent knees, and progress through plank with knees lowered, Bhujangasana, cobra pose, and a gentle downward dog. Return to Tadasana with steady steps. Sun Salutations B. Begin in Utkatasana with soft knee bends, flow through modified Chaturanga and Cobra. Add Warrior Eye variations for strength while honoring joint comfort. Let your breath guide each transition. Move slowly to feel stability and alignment in each pose. Incorporate props like blocks to promote ease and grounding. Prioritize steady breathing as the anchor of your practice. Listen to your body, making adjustments as needed to avoid strain. Practicing modified Sun Salutations fosters physical strength, alignment, and mindfulness while enhancing confidence and body awareness. These accessible flows support long-term wellness, providing a sustainable path to balance and calm. Reflect on how modifications shape your experience, inviting comfort, focus, and a harmonious connection to your practice and self.